Hey family, welcome to the channel. Let's start eating.
Wait for you today because you can wait up to sleep, man. I'm going to.
Hey family, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for joining us today. Today we have Haitian food. We have stewed chicken, rice and peas, and some fried goat. And we have some salad. They gave us some salad today. And then we have some picklet, as some of them call it.
Yeah.
Picklet. Let me see what they call it. Make sure. What your name, honey? Picante salsa. Oh, picklets. Picklets. Yep. I was right. So we are going to dig in. We hope you guys are having a great day.
First day. I'm being quiet today because I'm sleepy right now.
You're sleepy?
Yes, I'm being quiet today, but this food is
Why
amazing.
you so sleepy, honey?
You tell me to go to work your money. Safa say to all my Haitian family out there.
Safa say, that's right. That is right.
So you know, I'm gonna bring it back. No?
They loved our Haitian video, our Haitian food video that we did last time.
We love it. This is one of the local spot again.
Good.
No? We gotta go show support, you know? Always. You know I love the rice.
The rice is good.
Oh gosh.
My mother, she ordered some fried goat, so I took some. She said it's really good. It is good.
Fried plantains are go. Okay. Fried goat, you know. So first day, remember? First day I did it like that before. It looked good, right? Thumbs up if she did it good last time. So it looked just like that.
I did do that. And it was good.
Enough people inside, Mom.
Too much maybe.
The rice is something to kill for with the onions on it. Everybody.
Yep. Got my cup in the house.
When you see this, you already know what's up already.
That's right, we alternating. This is good. This is my mother's first time trying Haitian food.
Oh wow.
So she loves it.
Wow. See that? See that? Our family? If y'all never tried it, go try it. I'm gonna get the legume next time. Okay? I'm gonna get it next time.
They have fried turkey there too. I'm gonna try that next time.
Fried turkey?
Fried turkey.
Yep. Oh my God. Yep. Fast food week.
Guys. Another eat out day.
Yeah, eat out.
Eat out day.
Yo.
But trust me, we can't wait to get back to our food.
Yo.
Remember me tell you that.
And before, my Haitian people, I told you, y'all not stingy with your food.
Not. There's still a lot of food left.
It's still a lot of food left. It's just halfway.
Yeah. We bought 3 meals and it's 6 of us. And it fed all 6 of us and there's food left over.
Not stingy. Cause you know. And actually, first day to pick this up, I usually go get it. But she did good. She know what to order. Yeah. No, you can't get the food. You said, I got the food already. I said, you got the food already.
He was still sleeping.
Yeah. I didn't know. She did good. She
because the hubby did, he worked last night. So I know he was tired. So I just went ahead and got it. Because I know we can't cook anything right now. So.
First they did excellent.
They did excellent. They cooked the food. Food come out bad, man. Food bad.
Take a big bite and put up close to y'all. Good peoples. All right. Damn. I love the rice. The last time I got it, I tried the mushroom rice. The mushroom rice was good too.
Oh, that's what she was asking me.
Well, you want the mushroom rice?
Yeah. That's a black one.
Yeah, the black rice.
Black rice.
That's good too.
Yeah.
With the beans, still got beans, but it's the mushrooms in it too. Yeah.
Mushrooms? Wow.
It's like, they call it mushroom rice, so I guess it got... Let me know. See, there's mushrooms in there, my Haitian family, let me know.
Yeah.
Cause it's called mushroom rice, but it's really good.
That rice is good. I had that before.
Yeah, man. Good.
One thing though, they're not stingy in the gravy.
You don't have to tell them. They pack it up already.
They pack up with the gravy.
So, if you never tried it, you know what we always say, go ahead and try it. You know what I'm saying? Try it. Trust me. Black people juice. Gotta show them, you know.
Yesterday was a good day. My niece graduated from high school with her associate's degree already. So when she starts college, she's going to start going towards her bachelor's degree and then her master's because she wants to be a doctor.
You ain't gonna give me pills. I said she better have the sports pill because you know when I'm old, I'm in the 60s, I'm still hooping.
Oh, Lord.
Yeah.
Yep. She's going to be a doctor.
We got a lot of nerd in the family. See one.
We have a... Honey, want some of my rice?
Yeah, you can put some on mine first. I know you're not.
I have a lot of rice.
You took the big side. No.
Your side
No.
had 3 pieces of chicken.
No, it's not about the chicken. I'm talking about the rice. Your side had a lot of rice.
You think so?
I said, why you put so much rice on your side?
You think so?
Yeah,
I think so, man.
Calm it down, family.
Oh,
she
Lord.
had a lot of rice on her. I said she must switch it around today.
No.
I said she was hungry.
We have I'm I cut myself. You think my side had more rice for real?
Yes, you gonna see.
I'm gonna see.
That's why I asked you why you got a lot of food today. I think you made a mistake and turned it that side.
I'm a pig.
Yeah, you had a lot. You surprised me. I thought you was gonna go hard. Pretty sure you're right now?
What was I saying? No, we have a couple of doctors in the family also and lawyers. So entrepreneurs. Very proud of everyone. But I'm definitely proud of my niece because she worked very hard. Very, very hard.
Yeah.
And that's not easy.
Yeah, for real.
To have to get all your credits for high school plus get credits to finish your to have your associate's degree when you graduate high school.
Well, your GPA getting a little higher.
Yeah. And graduated with honors. But I was kind of disappointed because they only was allowing 2 people to go.
For real.
So of course, it's gonna be her mom and her dad. It was televised though, but it still wasn't the same because you know we're loud. We're a loud family.
Yeah.
So we couldn't even yell her name and although we did it at home, but it still wasn't the same.
Yep.
And then our daughter's graduating middle school next week.
Don't even say it. Because right now, I'm gonna be a teacher in that school.
Oh,
She's growing up, family.
she is.
I wanted to go back when she was small. But you know, that's life, you know? She's well trained, you know? Good job to the moms.
Good job to the pops.
You did a lot. I'm gonna start talking to her now about how guys is. You know, I gotta break that down to her. I gotta have a conversation. We're gonna have that
Yeah,
conversation.
because guys are terrible.
Yeah. You know, ladies. Guys will give you them sweet talk. You know? How you tell that first lady? I said, Mama, don't listen to guys. Guys will tell you anything, whatever. You know what I'm talking about, family.
Just
And
to
she
get
said,
it.
so how you got mommy? I said, the same thing I'm telling you now. That's how I got mommy. She started laughing. I said, okay, we're going to have that conversation. You know what I'm saying? He said, oh,
So
so when I go to school, I'm like a sophomore or junior, I can have a chaperone. I said, yes, that's a good word, a chaperone. He's a friend. And then she's like, yeah, cause I'm not ready for that. I said, you sure not?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, so I said, yeah. Our daughter is 14, but she still act like a little baby.
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. That's what
that's
I like.
how we like it.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. So he's talking about, oh, I said, yeah, when you go on your prom and stuff like that. And when you reach 30, yeah.
But I like what she said. Our daughter said, so if I you know, a guy likes me, well, I'm older, mommy, like, you know,
Exactly. That's
in 11th grade,
Mm-hmm.
you know, I'm going to talk to you and daddy about it and see what
Yeah.
you guys think. And we was like, yeah, we talk about it. We're not going to tell you no, because the more you say no, the more they're going to want to do it.
That's when they're going to be bad.
You understand? And then you can't be too lenient with them because then they're going to run wild. So you got to have a nice balance. And the balance is making sure that your kids can talk to you. Sometimes it's going to be hard for them because, you know, they don't know how you're going to react. No matter how much you tell them, you can talk to me about anything, they are still going to be kind of hesitant. But that's okay. The fact that she said, I'm going to come and talk to you guys was good, because that's the kind of relationship that we have with our kids. You guys can talk to us about anything, no matter how much it's going to make us upset or whatever, we'll talk about it.
That video, what we're going to talk, that's going to be a mukbang. Guys, I'm going to sit down and let them know everything about the guys. From start to finish, I'm snitching.
Snitching.
Yep.
We have family meetings. If the kids them something that we did that they don't like, we sit down, we have a talk about it. If it's something that they did that we don't like, we sit down and have a talk about it. It's good to have open communication with your kids. Because if they don't talk to you, they're going to talk to somebody else, and that person might give them the wrong information. I understand.
Yeah, so, which being said, she's going to high school. And actually, the school she's going to is it's a brand new school. She's going to be the first one graduating. Everything, it's a brand new school they just built up. That's what we like. And when first they said she don't want to get her caught up into the old school that's out there, which, well, you know what I mean? Experience. It's a nice school. It's a nice school. Everybody's going to be fresh over there. You know what I'm saying?
Because sometimes you can get lost in high school. I know I did. I got lost. I felt like
I got lost in gym. That's my favorite subject, gym. Yeah,
I felt like I didn't know where I belonged, you know? And at that age, you're learning yourself, you know what I mean? So, you don't want to get caught up with the wrong people.
Yep.
Although it can happen.
But yeah. She been good for 14 years. No problem at all.
No problem, for real.
A student. She's the next nerd too. She's in everything in school. I mean, she been going there for 8 years. Yep.
She's very excited about high school because she and her best friend is going to high school together.
That's the next thing.
So I'm happy. And the fact that she's happy about going to school.
Yeah, that's the key.
That's the key.
Yep.
That is true.
That's true. They happy going to school.
I like this.
Well, I'm trying. I can make it too.
Let's make it for me.
It's not hard.
I like it.
Very easy.
I feel like I'm eating like a potato chip.
This is a Go family. My Haitian family, I know what it is already. I know it. You know it, man.
Our Haitian family, they don't play, man. Can't go to their house and leave hungry. Now you're mad.
They give enough food. I don't care what they want to say. I know. My Jamaican people, they count the rice. I don't like that. Count the rice. The rice is the cheapest thing, right?
Rice is the cheapest thing. It's the meat that's expensive.
Every time we buy the food that we enjoy.
We enjoy it.
I brought it home first lady one time. First they said, what's that? I said, taste it first lady. First they said, oh my gosh.
This is good.
That's brilliant. And she have her special spot where she want to go to. You know what I'm saying? We got like 3 in the same area. 3 of them.
Haitian restaurant.
Yeah. But she only like this one particular spot. Me? Spot right here where she go today. I like that too. And they have a next one. You know, kind of different, but This one right here be bumping. Yeah.
I thought they only took cash. I pay with my card.
Remember new management?
Oh, yes. That's why. Okay.
They take everything as long as a payment.
Because I was like, you take cash only? She's like, no, I take everything. I said, oh, my bad.
It was a short lady in there?
So the other people, they only took cash.
Yeah, they're taking cash before.
Because I knew somebody over there only took cash.
That's a new management.
So somebody bought it out.
Yeah, other people buy it.
Oh. And food still tastes nice? What?
But you've been liking that spot. Yeah.
What I'm saying is that usually when somebody buys a restaurant, they change stuff around and then it doesn't taste the same. Then it's like it goes downhill. But this one tastes good still. But the other one was delicious. This is good. The other one, I love their stewed chicken.
Yo.
And their food be hot still.
Burning hot, son. I love going there because I love the lot of food they give me. They be putting the rice in a little plate. I be like, man, there's no rice in there. You see when I come home?
Yeah.
Family, you see when I come home I say there's no rice in the thing, I be lying to
That's
myself.
a lot of rice.
Damn, they put in like a little bowl. How come I say, wow, they probably know we greedy. Yeah.
We?
You. I ain't going there today, so they must say this greedy girl must do a video.
My mother. She look greedy.
But yeah, family. Full first day? Okay.
I am full.
I'm capping. The first day that she's full, she's full, okay?
This was delicious.
All y'all new people don't go telling my first day to eat more. No. First day don't do that. Okay? We don't do that over here. First day she's full, okay? For the other new people. When I'm eating, I eat. So don't rush my first lady.
Richie barely gets full, okay? Half the time when the camera cut off, he's still eating.
You hear what it says? Eat and eat. Word of wisdom time right now. You know what it is already. So I got something good for y'all. You know? Something light, not too big. Family ready? First lady, I listen. Yeah, everybody listen now, okay? Don't get upset with people or situation. Both are powerless without your reaction.
Ooh. So y'all move? I love it when you say good stuff in a man. Turns me on.
That's too much money. One. If you're new, like, share, and subscribe. You're watching, but you're not subscribed. Come over here to the Greedy Cup. We talk about anything and you interact with us. That's what
right.
we like, okay? So I am Richie if you are new. This is First Lady, aka Shanice, and this is Chatty Pasta. And then your First Lady.
You guys are the Greedy family. We know that there are millions of YouTubers out there, and we appreciate you taking the time to come and watch us. We will see you guys next time for another mukbang. Bye.